Welcome to Pacific Hearing Service YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the pairing from your hearing aids to your iPhone. I'm going to use Oticon hearing aids today, but this pairing and unpairing actually happens in the iPhone settings under accessibility and should work with almost any hearing aid manufacturer besides Phonak. To do the same steps. So when I open up my Oticon companion app today, I can see both of my hearing aids are connected. If you ever open up your app and you get this connection error, so oftentimes would look like this, where we only see one hearing aid connected. The quick fix sometimes can be just closing our app completely, and I do have another video teaching you how to use the app switcher, or turning your Bluetooth on and off. So coming over into the settings of the phone, finding the Bluetooth, turning it on and off with the toggle switch here to try to get it to wake up, or just completely powering our phones all the way down and turning it back on. Those can sometimes fix the issue. If it doesn't, what we want to do is we want to come back into the settings where this cogwheel is, and we want to find accessibility. It's here underneath, in the second section underneath general. So you're going to tap on accessibility, and it'll open up this new folder. And here you'll look for the hearing device section, which is right here. And that first line is hearing devices. That's where our hearing aids are connected. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to see here at the top, it's saying there's hearing aids, Alice hearing aids connected, both the right and left, but we know that's not actually true. It's not working in the app. So I'm going to tap that and find out what's happening. And if I click on here, I'm seeing there's that spinning wheel again for the left ear. So I want to now unpair the hearing aids from my phone and pair them back together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to forget this device at the bottom of this section. Am I sure that I want to forget? Yes, forget. And now I am disconnected from the hearing aids are now disconnected from my phone. If I looked over on the app, you're going to see they're not paired. There's nothing paired to my phone, so this won't work. So I'm back in the settings right here. The next step is to have my hearing aids turned off and then turn them back on. So if we have rechargeable hearing aids, we want to put them in the charger. That's going to turn them off. And if we have batteries in our hearing aids, we want to open the battery door. When we close our battery door or take the hearing aids off the charger, when they first turn on, that's what's happening. They're turning on. There's about 2 minutes that we have to pair them to our phone. They're in pairing mode. So I'm going to take my hearing aids off the charger now, and you'll see at the top, they're searching. The phone is searching for my devices to connect with. And shortly, when they find each other, you're going to see them show up on that top part of the screen where it says searching. Sometimes, there we go, there it is. And you see where it says Alice hearing aids, and then there's an R and an L on the next line. So that stands for right and left. I want to make sure that those are both there before I tap this top section where it says not paired. I tap it, and I'm going to get 2 requests to pair. So Bluetooth pairing request, I'm going to click it once. It's going to pop up again, twice, right and left. They're connected to my phone. At this point, they know each other, they're connected, phone calls will stream, audio will stream. But if we want to use the app, we need to come back over into our app. Today I'm using Oticon, as I said, and I'm going to hit the pair now. And usually the app will walk you through the process of what you need to do. With Oticon, we don't really need to do anything. It finds them, says we're talking, and now they're connected. Hope this helps.